Assalamualaikum, I'm Akasha. My team members are Muhammad Ghanim and Dr. Umawati. We are from JPKK. I'm going to present about the systematic literature review, which specifically focus on the security issue and solution for smart homes in Internet of Things. Okay. So for introduction, IoT has many applications, especially in health, military, event monitoring, smart city, smart building, and smart home. So as for the statistics, there are over 13 billion devices connected in 2021. This figure is expected to increase to 31 billion devices by the year of 2025. Okay, what is a smart home actually? Smart home is actually integration of computer technology and the communication technology in order for a user to control their home through a smartphone, for example. Okay, the objective of this paper is to focus on the literature review on the security issue and the security solution in IoT-based smart home that has been proposed by the researcher. Okay, this is the methodology of how we review the literature review on the topic. First, we have the research question, where the questions are constructed to find out the what and why and how the security solution is to mitigate the attacks. Second, we have the second process. We have the survey plan and the organization, where we select the established publisher journal based, for example, IEEE and Xavier. Then we construct the keywords in order to search the articles from these two journals. The third process is the eligibility criteria, where we want to make sure that articles that are selected fulfill the requirement of the topic that we have selected. For example, does the article provide any information on the security issue and provide the security solution to our topic? Okay, the final step is to filter the journal and evaluate the quality of the journal based on the criteria that we have set. Articles that are filtered according to duration of the year of publish, for example 2019 to 2022, and also the publisher. Okay, finally, the articles are checked truly by reading the title and the abstract, and also based on the criteria we have set. Okay, based on the 12 articles that we have gathered from the established publisher, we can illustrate this through a pie chart. This pie chart shows the distribution of the smart home security solution. So 67% of the solution is based on encryption. So what is encryption? Encryption is the method by which information is converted to a secret code that hides the information through meanings. Then we have the blockchain, which accounted for 75%. So what is a blockchain? Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Then then we have machine learning, which is accounted for 8% of the distribution. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, which broadly defined as the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Lastly, we have numerical analysis, where it's a branch of mathematics that solves continuous problems using numeric approximation, which is accounted for 8% of the distribution. Okay, based on the previous pie chart, most proposed method implements encryption. So a lightweight encryption is a way to go in terms of energy consumption, communication overhead, and computational overhead. But they require more time. I mean, the encryption requires more time to execute the authentication process. In a smart home, most of has more advanced computation power, so the execution time will be unnoticeable, except for devices that run on batteries. The proposed method encryption should provide a good balance between giving a good security and energy consumption. Based on the article review, there are not much work on the blockchain and machine learning, so the researcher can take this opportunity to propose new security solution using blockchain and machine learning, and it is recommended that blockchain technology can be implemented in highly energy efficient device, because implementing blockchain on the smart home device will increase the security, as blockchain cannot be easily changed or hacked. The future researcher can also look into combining the encryption with machine learning or blockchain with encryption. That will be something interesting for the future researcher to look into. However, for blockchain, there are a few disadvantages where um, because blockchain cannot be does not address the issue of mobility, network, and device heterogeneity, and as well as the device synchronization within the network time. So yes, I think machine learning and blockchain is is the technology that the future researchers should look into, and I think it will be a good security solution in the future. So, as conclusion, lack of security feature in smart home technology could impact human life through the security attack, data leakage, and privacy. So, there will be invasion of privacy, and hacker can easily hack into someone home and can easily get some information or materials, and can freely distribute on the internet. So I don't want that to be happen. So I think it is best that future researcher could propose new security solution to enhance more security in a smart home. So so that's the objective of this paper, is to enlighten the future researcher on what to focus on and to improve the current security solution. So that so the basically the contribution of this paper is looking at the possible research issue and security solution that have been proposed on the smart home. And for the future direction, it is recommended that this new researchers should work on hybrid methods that combines encryption and blockchain technology. I hope it can be implemented in IoT environment, which mainly consists of energy constrained IoT devices. That's all. Thank you.